Sometimes you find a second chance in the same environment you once hurt. A man who once survived by the law of the wild. His past is marked by choices few speak of. Today, those same instincts protect lives. This is a story of change, not escape. At 16, after his circumcision, tradition declared him a man. In the Samburu culture, this milestone means leaving home to forge your own path. But outside his family's compound, the world offered little hope. Jobs were scarce, even for those with education. And for a young man, without papers or prospects, poverty seemed inescapable. That's when he became a bandit. However, after a few years and close shaves with the law, he changed his ways. As he walks the lands he once roamed for all the wrong reasons, he often reflects on how far he's traveled. The transformation was only possible because people believed it could happen, because a community chose grace over judgment, and because an employer valued potential over past mistakes. For him, the true measure of a man is not where you've been, but where you're going, and he's proud to be in a community that believes in second chances.